Imagine being told you have only 2 years to live, but instead of giving up, you decide to explore the universe. This is the story of Stephen Hawking, one of the greatest minds of our time. Early life. Stephen was born in Oxford, England in 1942. He was curious from a young age, always asking questions about time, space, and the stars. Life-changing diagnosis. At the age of 21, Stephen was diagnosed with ALS, a disease that slowly paralyzed him. Doctors gave him only a few years to live. But Stephen had other plans, defying the odds. Despite losing the ability to walk or speak on his own, Stephen lived for more than 50 years, using a computer and a synthetic voice. He continued to teach, inspire, and explore the universe, the genius behind black holes. Stephen became world famous for his work on black holes. He discovered something incredible, that black holes are not completely black. They actually emit tiny amounts of energy. This became known as Hawking radiation, the universe without boundaries. Stephen also had a bold idea about the universe itself. He suggested that the universe had no boundaries, no beginning and no end, a place where space and time are connected in ways we are only beginning to understand. Making science for everyone. But Stephen was not just a scientist, he was a storyteller. In 1988, he published A Brief History of Time, a book that explained the mysteries of the universe in simple language. It became a global bestseller, inspiring millions of people to look up at the stars. Global recognition. Stephen received many honors, including the Presidential Medal of Freedom. He also held the same position at Cambridge University, once held by Isaac Newton, a true symbol of his brilliance. Final days and legacy. Stephen passed away in 2018, but his ideas and courage live on. He showed us that no matter our challenges, the power of the human mind is limitless. Stephen Hawking taught us to never give up, to stay curious, and to always keep looking toward the stars. Who would you like us to feature next in our Genius God series? Comment below and subscribe for more inspiring stories narrated by. Thanks for watching. This is part of a special series, Genius Gods, celebrating human minds that change the world. Please like, comment, and share this tribute. And if this story moved you, subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon so you won't miss the next chapter. Let's continue to respect, protect, and celebrate the genius behind the screen.